What happens when a sporty compact SUV decides to bring a little party to the driveway? Say hello to the 2025 Ford Puma, a car that's as fun to drive as its name is to say. But is it the life of the party, or just a guest who overstays its welcome? Let's find out. The 2025 Ford Puma is Ford's answer to the growing demand for stylish compact SUVs that don't compromise on performance or personality. This isn't your average crossover. The Puma combines sporty handling with a sleek design and packs enough tech to keep even the savviest drivers entertained. For 2025, it's making headlines with an all-electric variant, the Puma Gen E, and refined styling that keeps it fresh and competitive in a crowded market. If cars had personalities, the Puma would be the friend who's always ready for Instagram photos. Just look at that front grille, a wide, confident smile that says, "I'm here to impress." The LED headlights curve like a cat's eyes. Get it? Puma? Giving it a sharp and playful look. For 2025, Ford has given the Puma some design updates. The grille is sleeker, and the lighting has been refined to maintain its youthful, dynamic appeal. And those wheels? Available up to 19 inches, they're like a fresh pair of sneakers, stylish and functional. The overall design is sleek with just enough muscle in the rear haunches to remind you it's ready to pounce. Whether it's cruising city streets or parked in your driveway, the Puma's sporty aesthetics make it a real head-turner. Step inside, and you'll feel like you just walked into a modern lounge. Ford's really stepped up their game here. The cabin is all about comfort and practicality. The digital driver's display is crisper than ever, and the refreshed infotainment system now offers even more seamless navigation. At 12.3 inches, the central touchscreen makes exploring maps or shuffling through playlists effortless. The seats are supportive yet plush, with optional heated leather for those chilly mornings. And speaking of practicality, the Puma's megabox storage under the rear floor is perfect for stashing everything from muddy boots to your gym bag. It's like a secret compartment that Batman would approve of. Now let's talk about what really matters, how this little beast drives. Under the hood, you've got options ranging from a sprightly 1.0-liter EcoBoost hybrid to a peppy 2.0-liter engine that feels like it's had a double shot of espresso. And new for 2025, the all-electric Puma Gen E. With its whisper-quiet operation and impressive range, it's perfect for urban and suburban adventures. Acceleration? Let's just say it's zippy enough to make merging onto highways a thrill rather than a chore. The Puma handles like a champ, too. It's nimble and responsive, almost like it's reading your mind when you take on a twisty back road. And thanks to its compact size, parking in tight spaces is a breeze. You'll be the hero of the grocery store lot. Of course, no modern car would be complete without some tech wizardry, and the Puma doesn't disappoint. Ford's Sync 4 system comes standard, offering seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system that'll make your playlists sound like they're live in concert. So, is the 2025 Ford Puma the compact SUV you've been waiting for? If you're after a car that's as fun as it is functional, the answer is a resounding yes. With its sporty design, tech-savvy features, and lively performance, the Puma proves that big things really can come in small packages. But don't just take my word for it, go check it out yourself. Just be warned, once you take it for a spin, you might not want to give it back.